All right, this is where all good adventures start. We are in Seattle, Washington. The van is parked there, and we are outside our friend Jamie and Davis's house, where Kyle also lives. And the whole Ptarmigan Traverse gang, the High Alpine Boys, are meeting up. We're having dinner. We're strategizing. I just had the best pad see of my life. It slapped, and we're ready to leave at 5 a.m. tomorrow. And this is the backyard where the whole gang is. We got Nate, Taylor, Mitchell, Martin, Kyle, Lachlan. It is Tuesday night. We're heading out, departing at 6 a.m. tomorrow for the Traverse. I just took a shower in the surf towel, getting the final things added to the bag. Mango sticky rice is making the cut. We're adding that, and we're bringing in 5th ramen for 4 guys, so an extra ramen, and I'm packing an extra stick of noons because it's apparently super hot out there. The guys are all feeling ready. I think there's like a level of anxiousness because of all the logistics and gear and food talk, but we're ready to get after it tomorrow morning and have a special trip. So next video you see, we will be sun will be rising. We'll be driving the van out. Just a little trailhead shave. Gotta get the mustache looking right for the boys for the next 5 days.
That's right.
All right, we're all going mustaches. Nate is currently shaving. Could be the most beautiful place in the world to shave. If we look at this view here. We're at Cascade Pass, about to start the Traverse. Everyone's getting ready. We're packing our gear. It's 80 degrees and smoky, and so we're starting hot. But after 6 hours of traveling point to point to drop cars off, we're feeling ready to start. First steps of the PT, whole squad here, full packs. It's gonna be an epic 5-day adventure. Nate, just tell me how you're feeling.
Full hearts, full packs. Feel good. Just shaved. Haven't seen the skin in about 5 years, but look good.
Oh.
Feel good. It's hot. But
It's
be good. Beautiful.
I want to get to know each of you better, but it's essentially a long-winded question of what's something significant to you that you've experienced so far this year, or something meaningful, or something giving you joy, or something you're proud of, and it's supposed to be vague. I want to keep it vague so that when you think about the last 6 months, what comes to mind?
Online, not to overhype it, but multiple.
See this shit?
Woo! Look at that.
Nate's getting stoked.
That's not Washington.
Take a pic
He's
for
back
Mom.
at vlogging again. I'm getting so nervous.
Look at this guy.
Love you, Mom. Have quite a complicated relationship
From the
with her.
farm to the ridge, baby.
That's right.
The Traverse. We're out here, sweating balls. Thank you, you too. We're going uphill. We're getting this vert. We're going all the way there. See you at the top. Nice. Nice. You got the line now.
You're killing it, dude. Yeah.
Sidestep it. Fuck yeah, dude. Give me 5. Good job.
Thank you.
We were all the way back there earlier. And now we're entering the backcountry. Next up, we're going up there. Storm's coming in. Storm assessment, what do you think?
Hopefully it keeps going that way, but
Yeah. The wind's going away from us.
the wind is going that way.
Sick.
Is that where you're at or no? You're good?
I'm good.
You're too close, brother.
What's up? What's up, Instagram?
What's up, fellas?
What up? What's up? Look at where we are.
Look at where we are. We got 6.5 hours of moving time today. It's exhausting. We gotta get down to camp now. It's over there. Do you guys see the lake?
No.
Now we made it to the top. We're going down there to Kool-Aid Lake. That's where we're camping tonight. It's raining. We didn't expect for this to happen, but you can see the rain coming down over here.
Always bring a shell.
Always bring a shell. That's why we stay arced up, boy.
Always be arced up, baby.
Yeah.
I feel so bad.
Don't feel bad, man. You're good. Your
Dude.
your safety and your health is more important.
We care about you more than the hike, man.
Yeah. It's just so silly. It's such a silly mistake.
It's how they all happen.
Yeah.
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 I just saw Taylor and I was like, hey Taylor, wait up. And then I just kind of like went to say something and I lost focus for just a second
Yeah.
because I was excited to see Taylor and catch
Yeah.
up to him.
Yeah.
And just that brief moment, I just like caught something and my
Yeah.
ankle just got caught really good.
Did it fold?
Kind of rolled over.
Yeah.
Inside, like an inside fold?
I think it was an inside fold. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. And it was fast.
Yeah.
Hey Nate, just checking to see if you still have contact.
Still have contact.
Copy.
I don't know, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, we can set up camp here or some shit, and we'll see.
What it looks like tomorrow. I mean,
Yeah. Hope.
All right, a little bit of an update. Mitchell's ankle isn't looking good right now. He's in a lot of pain, can't put weight on it. Nate, Taylor, and Mitch are gonna camp right over this ridge because there's a flat spot, and we're gonna make our way down to Kool-Aid Lake. We've got walkie-talkies so we can communicate, and we're gonna assess the situation in the morning. Options either are we finish or probably call a helicopter in. So we'll figure that out first thing in the morning. Mitch has got some compression socks, some icy hot stuff, biofreeze. He got Advil, and so we're gonna make our way down to camp and then cook some dinner. We gave them all our water, so we all have to refill our waters first thing. Hiking right here, making our way to camp. All right, that's the update. See you later. Dan, Martin, and Kyle are making their way down to Choss Field. I just filled up some water at this stream. Oh my God, I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I'm just drinking filtered stream water right now. With this view. Still about a half mile away from the lake. What an end to a day. Feeling grateful to be out here. This really feels like the next level in my outdoor experience, and it's awesome to do with such a good group of friends.
did you bring fire starter? Yeah. What flavor Slim Jim do you want?
You just did a nacho over a rock. Starting forest fire.
Back in the day, I used to be like, we have to bring Doritos because that's fire starter. You see the white E?
Yeah.
Go left over, and then there's the hump.
Yep.
if you take the first hump to get on, and there's the flat area, and then the middle hump, you go down a little bit.
Point to it.
Right there, the
That's
white.
where this thing?
Yep. There. Yeah, if I'm looking through your GoPro.
It's right on the side.
So we just found out that Mitchell's getting helivac today. And
He just got too tired.
yeah.
I'm just kidding. He hurt himself.
Poor boy.
That'd be so crazy, just hitting the helivac because you're a little sleepy. Yeah, our poor boy's getting helivaced out. Serious, can't load weight on the ankle. They're gonna get evacuated today at some point, and we're chilling here.
We're car camping in the wilderness now.
Yeah.
We're hanging at
Lake
Kool-Aid
life.
Lake for the next day.
We got 30,000 calories to eat.
Yeah.
Gonna live it up tonight. Live, love, laugh, lake.
So yeah, we're just chilling here. We're checking in with Nate at the top of every hour. We got to bring them water at some point, and then Nate and Taylor are probably gonna come down here and camp with us. We'll do our surprises today, and then tomorrow we're gonna head back the way we came. And yeah, this Ptarmigan trip maybe not going as we planned it, but we're gonna have a good time. So.
And run it back next week.
PT. Just having a moment to reflect. We just had the talk about, you know, we're not going up. We're not doing the whole traverse today, and it makes sense. And absolute no one on this crew has any hard feelings at all about that. It's the right decision. We're sticking as a unit, and yeah, like when you put a lot of effort and time and energy into something that doesn't work out, like how do you handle that? And we've been having a lot of discussions about all the lessons the mountain teach you, and for me, these guys feel like the ultimate teacher. And as I'm just like sitting here looking out on this lake right now and listening to the stream run, I don't know, just some kind of perspective that you can put all your time and energy into planning something, and sometimes things don't work out, and it's like so much less about whether or not it worked out or not, and so much more about how you handled it. And we're handling it with smiles on our faces. We're prepared, and thankfully have all the equipment and resources to get Mitchell out safely. And we're gonna have a good time regardless of what that destination looked like. And it's cheesy, but it's about the journey and not the destination. And we'll be back. We all love you here, and spirits are all high.
Mitchell, I love you. This is Martin, your favorite partner.
We love you, man.
Mitchell, this is Kyle. I love you, dude.
Mitchell, this is Daniel. We love you, man.
We're talking about it. We'll be back here again one day, so we'll get.
You better be ready, baby.
Yeah, we'll get the traverse end to end.
That was wonderful. Taylor wants to say something. Thank you guys so much. It's really kind.
Taylor.
So this is Mr. Combs. Just letting you guys know that you guys will be coming up here to maybe potentially assist in Mitch's rescue if we end up using a litter, just to end up having bodies around to help out.
Yeah.
And I think you guys wanted that anyways because you wanted to see the heli, so your wish can come true. And you guys can just bring water when that happens, which is probably close to 10 o'clock.
Okay.
That's the major update on our end as far as logistics.
Oh, shoot.
10 a.m. is when the
Today may end
helicopter's
up being
coming.
a rest day
yeah.
when all is said and done just because of the late start from the rescue. And then we just be going tomorrow, so it's kind of just like leave all your shit in your tents, make sure the tents don't fly away, you know, just have all your packs and everything in there, and just kind of come up with just one pack of water closer to 10 o'clock. But if anything changes, we'll just let you know, and we can touch back in at 9 o'clock. So that's the main thing.
Okay, if you want us up there at 10, we'll probably start to get moving sooner than later because it was just really slow going coming down. It was just so chossy. So yeah, we'll probably make moves here in 15-20 minutes, but can we just get confirmation that your expectation is helicopter comes at 10, or is that when you want us there by? Trying to figure out how fast to move.
The expectation is that the helicopter will arrive quote-unquote late morning is the only ETA we have so far, and that's subject to change. So we're just trying to be somewhat prepared and not caught off guard. I think that if you guys, you know, left at 10 and we're here at 10:30, that'd probably be fine too. It's really kind of your game plan. I don't think there's a big rush right now. It's only 8 o'clock, but late morning is kind of what we're aiming for.
Copy that. We will be there then with ample amounts of water.
Copy that, thank you.
All right, Cool Lake boys are all packed up. We've got 2 packs. We broke down camp, stowed away all our gear here, covered it with some rocks. We made a helicopter landing pad over here, over there, and marked it with some sticks with an X. Kyle's already started going up.
Martin's picking a wedgie.
Martin's picking a wedgie. Martin, Dan, and I are going up now, and with Kyle, we've got water, snacks for the day, and layers. Helicopters here.
Dude, what a fun thing. Just do this all the time.
Just to come up to those unbelievable spot and then break your ankle.
This is way better than the Ptarmigan Traverse.
Dude, this is way more fun.
This is way cooler.
That's no Blackhawk. Send it back.
Goes toast, dog.
What's up? Josh back here again. Josh back here, and we're doing a little GoPro session with this heli.
I want pressure on it. It's pretty swollen.
Okay.
We have it in a compression sock, and we've taken, last night I probably took like 6 ibuprofen.
Okay.
And I think I rolled it real bad. I felt something pop, and it instantly started swelling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stand by. HRT 7, Snowhawk 10. Talking to the patient here. We have some light sweating, swelling. I think we can do an extraction with. Do you want to stand by? Do you want me to package that up for you and get it secure, or do you feel like the pain's pretty okay?
I guess what would I have to do? Do I have to walk far? Like
nope. I'm just gonna put you in a splint and then I'll pick you up.
I don't need it to be packaged up. I should be okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been able to crawl around.
Secure in here. I'm gonna secure you to the back with a rope, and I'll stay on the ground while you're going up.
Okay.
That'll keep you from spinning. And when you get up there, the crew chief and the medic will help get you into the helicopter.
Okay.
So let me get you situated with this. And again, you don't have to move. It's all right.
Sounds good.
Just gonna put this on you.
Perfect.
Like a jacket. So on through there. Get that off your back. Okay.
Wonderful.
And then,
I might not bring in this backpack with me.
do you want it to come with us?
It would be helpful for them for getting off the mountain if they don't have to disperse.
Okay. You guys want to keep it?
Yeah, we'd appreciate it if that could go in the heli.
You want that to come with me?
Yeah, if
Okay.
possible.
Okay,
Yeah, let's
copy.
wait for us.
They got him. Safe travels, Mitch. Enjoy the ride. When it's noon and it's like 90 degrees out, always dip your hat in streams. Really cools you off. We're making our way back to the lake. Reset up camp. Taylor's up ahead. Since they didn't use the landing pad we made as the rescue spot, you know, we took everything down, but it's not for nothing. That was one of the plan options, and you got to be ready for plan A, B, or C during a rescue. So we'll just reset up camp, settle in for a chill day. It's things like this that make it worth it. Dunk your head, baby. Woo!
That feels good.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, that shit's mushy. Oh. All right, Martin. All right, I'm gonna do a little. Woo!
Feels good.
Yeah, refreshing, huh?
That's right.
Pocket disc. We're in a glacier lake. It is cold, baby.
Here we go, get going. So cool.
Oh yeah.
That was so cold.
Bring you a taste of home and be crazy enough to not this boom boom, not even that,
Hey!
but travel with my favorite bottle of wine
Oh my gosh.
to share with you guys. And sparkling wine is meant for celebrations, it's meant for toasts. I wish Mitchell was here to toast with us, but we're gonna be toasting with him in spirit. And I thought, what better to encapsulate this journey than sharing a connection around something that brings people together, around something that builds community, like we talked a lot about. And this is something specifically for my community that is my favorite wine, and it's a sparkling wine from the Finger Lakes. So
cool.
that is
Thanks.
Thank you,
only
dude.
not complete without a specialty wine and food pairing. So we've got a little Asian pear with my favorite cheese that I flew with from New York, a little prosciutto, and then because Mitchell was coming, I even brought some gluten-free crackers. Gift giver.
Is this the coolest place you've ever drank wine?
This is the coolest place I've ever drinking wine with some of the coolest people.
Yeah, like my last thoughts before departing on the 5-day excursion.
Here we go, boys.
Yeah. Was the
Cheers.
jam.
Mountains.
Can I get a Kool-Aid?
Kool-Aid.
Pear. The pear with cheese. This cheese is fantastic. It's a good
Insert shot. Yeah. Shoot out anybody?
Oh my goodness.
Get in there.
I'm going to start. Reach into this bag and pull it out. And I'll describe what's happening.
Martin,
After you do it. You gotta pull out only one. You can move around in there. You got the bunny. This is
Finger puppet?
It's a finger puppet. It's both your spirit animal and your trail name, but you got to name it and give it a personality.
Oh yeah.
Did I get a butterfly?
I don't know, man. You should.
Oh,
The cow.
I got the cow. Let's go.
You got milk.
I got milk.
You got milk. You got the frog.
Oh, that's a good one.
Nice.
You feeling around?
Were you able to get it over your finger?
You gotta feel it.
Yeah. Left or right? I don't know.
I don't know, man.
I punched it in. Oh, you punch it in. Yeah.
Dude, you gotta choose. It's choosing you.
What'd you get? You got the bear?
The bear. Oh, that's a good
Dude, he's
one.
back. Josh.
What? Oh my God!
Oh, let's go.
It's back.
It's back. It knew.
It knew. Oh.
And just like that.
Oh, it's.
Dude, what'd you get, Kyle?
What is that?
I think it's a rat.
It's an elephant.
I think it's an elephant.
Little.
This is a fucking elephant.
That's a pink elephant. Let's go. What do you get?
Duck.
Oh, duck. Wait, what would Mitchell have gotten?
Okay, let's pick out for Mitch. Who wants to pick
He
for
still
Mitch?
got it. Taylor, you should. Taylor.
Okay, pick
I'll do it.
Mitch's.
This definitely is not a
He got the rat.
Leonardo, baby.
You're making good progress. I like the stream. That's really
you know what it is?
the foreground.
You got the foreground.
You got the foreground, background, and you're gonna fill it in nice.
Yeah.
That's an artiste.
You got it.
A good image has to have layers, you know? We're coloring right here. Look at this. Look at this amazing shadow coming off the peak from the sun. It's morning time. It's like 6:05. We just woke up. Martin's over there. He's gonna go poop. Putting away the tent. Packing everything up. It's never easy getting moving when it's early and you're tired and it's cold. And you know, all you have to do is a whole lot of work to get home. But yeah, we're getting it. Slept in my contacts last night. Don't know if that was a good move. But packing up. Goal is to pack up in 1 hour and we'll be moving. Gotta get going. Come on in here, buddy. Break us down.
All right, my friends. PT on 3.
PT on me.
1, 2, 3.
PT! Making our way to the top. One more time.
Yeah. Yeah. Just around a 50-minute push.
20 minutes. Maybe an hour and 15 hiking. It's like a sizable.
Are we stopping?
Oh, you're going.
This one's a little shot.
We're digging a picket right here. And then we're going down here. We're gonna kind of belay on some rope for extra safety. What do you think? I think we got about 100 feet of steepness. We're gonna put this picket in there, and then the rope will come out here for an anchor. All right, so 2 pickets in, T-trench. What are those? 2 runners? Is that what they're called?
He's here.
Yeah.
Yep.
2 runners, and then we're gonna attach the rope there.
This is your quad. You can also do this with, you can take these knots out and then just do a big master point,
Yeah.
which I'm gonna see if Taylor wants to do that instead. But I think this will work.
Okay.
Good job.
Thanks.
We built a solid anchor.
We built this home. Who wants to go first? I'm gonna go second to last. So all 3 of you are gonna go before me. So we can pick, Nate's going first. We can pick our order here. Okay. So if you wanna go, yo Nate, before you head down, Martin's gonna go first. It would probably be good for him to watch you, so let us know when he can come through. Yeah, I mean, all the pulleys and support systems. It's a lot going on here.
I was telling him, in case you're curious, you know how all this goes to here?
Yeah.
He just taught you?
Yeah.
This is a quad. Do you know what that is?
Nope.
It's basically a redundant and equalizing anchor system. So if one of these was to fail, they're like closed loops. So the other one would do it. It's also self-equalizing. So if I go over here, it holds the weight just the same versus some of them would have slack.
Yeah.
So that's really nice. And this one also can separate these two in the quad system, which is really great.
Nice. I see that.
And then this is guide mode, which just makes it so that this is not attached to me, so I don't get pulled in. The weight all goes to the anchor. And if the climber is to fall on this, it stops the fall. And yeah, I trust you to figure out when to turn around. You got this. Just don't step on the rope, please.
Yep. All right. Now I'm feeling good.
Good work, out. GoPro in this?
I am. All right, off belay. You need any help or you good on the rope?
Do you have the carabiner?
Yeah.
I'm good.
All right, see you in the shade.
See you in the shade, yeah, go.
Thank
the shade.
Thank you.
Good job.
You thinking,
Roping up?
yeah, or we just skip it for time's sake?
Kind of depends what you all want to do. I don't care.
Adios.
Adios.
Thanks. Not easy. Gets your heart rate going.
Yeah.
Looking good, Kyle.
Yep. Good. All right, homeboy, if you come to me. That's so funny. I guess I just go to your gear loop. It's a little different than a climbing harness. You know what mountaineers harnesses, whether you go to the gear loop or whether you do try to tie through the two still?
I do through the two.
You go through the two.
What's the second one?
You go over top of the belt.
Oh.
Yeah, over the top of the belt. This is more for like when you're belaying, and this is kind of what you're always into.
Got a figure eight? What's that?
It's a figure eight bite.
All right, figure eight bite, keeping me tight.
Yeah, baby. Okay. That's solid.
All right, I'll get out of your way. Want me to go downhill a little bit?
Just 1 second. Nate, you wanted 5?
5.
What's up?
You wanted 5?
5.
5 arm lengths?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just go right over here.
6. I really should be doing 6, but 5 is fine.
Right.
It's a little too tight.
You can come to me, exactly. And then you have a walk on you?
Okay.
Now, Josh, you can continue and just keep that same distance.
Are we starting?
We're starting.
Can I just take one photo of them?
Yeah, go.
And boom. Hold on. But we can really trust this snow, so. Rope team 2. Got me, Martin and Taylor. Going down the big glacier. Feeling good. Sun is hot, but we got an early start, so we're beating some of the heat. And the walking is pretty steady. Easier going down than going up so far. Did you go up the wet stuff or all the dry?
I kind of went up the wet stuff. I stayed on the inside and used the big rocks. There's some really good ones with first big rock. Get right into there. Those two medium-sized ones are kind of loose, but they're here. And then you can eventually get right in there. You can get up there. That's the and then go up a little bit more before you peel off. With that, I feel like I felt all of what Nate and I had talked about coming down that. I felt what he meant by trusting the gear and the snow and like how to step. Yeah. I guess I could take my glass off.
I'm not a rock climber.
Good work, Josh.
Thank you. Kyle made it up, Taylor, Dan's just cresting the rock climb. Martin's up next, and then Nate. And then really only one more obstacle left as we traverse this way, as we have another choss field. But Kyle, you cruised that.
Thanks, dude.
Dan just cruised it. We're climbing in crampons. Got the ice axe clipped to the harness. Got the baggies on. We're looking good. You can tell there's water flowing underneath this snow, which is why you can see some blue, and it's so much mushier. So it's not as stable. So only one person should be crossing that section at a time.
Kick it in a little more for the next person. Since we have big feet, you can kick it in a little. There you go.
I knew that you just wanted me for my feet.
Right.
That's the only reason you love me.
Down.
Oh, that breeze feels good. It was helpful to have it.
Kind of was a hindrance to me. I was like too worried about it falling.
Got it.
Appreciate it.
We've been switchbacking for like 2 hours now. We've been cooking. We've been cooking.
20-minute miles.
20-minute miles. No stops. We have that just get to the trailhead mentality, and we have maybe one, maybe two switchbacks left. Oh, starting to feel that sense of accomplishment, the end in sight. We've had good conversations. This is the end of the, towards the end of the trail here. Talking about life, relationships, family, home, food, being a goddamn dog on the trail. It's been good.
We did.
PT?
Good work.
Let's go.
And that's the ptarmigan.
PT on 3. 1, 2, 3.
PT!
Yay!
We need some PT.
And one more thing to end the adventure. Got a flat tire on Mitch's truck. But the boys, look at that thing. Okay.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
What, step 1 done?
Step 1. We are ending the traverse in style. Taylor's lake house. Oh yeah.
Hey, hey.
This is how you end the traverse. Woo! You good?
Yeah, dude. I was like, I'm being attacked by an octopus.
You ready?
Oh, no, just make sure you go back enough.
Was it smooth?
And but the thing is I also like freedom a lot.
Yeah.
I don't know, some people are like, I have to have a dog. I'm like, I don't fucking have to have a dog.
The time will come though.
The time will come, especially if you're like
In between the lakes and like it's like a brand new thing that just kind of like started and it's just been so much fun and like so much fun.
But if I don't, like,
I don't know if this is yours.
that's mine.
It's 4 p.m. What day is it? Saturday? On Saturday, wrapping up in the lake with some gracious hosts.
Cheers.
And that's the ptarmigan. That's how people do the ptarmigan traverse. we got some paddle boarders. We'll see you next time. That's the end of the vlog.